Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Global News Agency Igbo Worldwide. Today, let's look at the Igbo proverb which says, Ota batarele kenti oba, yari ogun murako. Ota batarele kenti oba, yari ogun murako. Literally, it says, even if it takes up to 20 arrows to kill an antelope, it is justified. As you know, the antelope is a wild animal with twisted horns, long legs, and tan skin, an attribute valued in the production of leather bags, shoes, belts, drums, and other leather works. In addition, its delicious and tasteful meat is a delight on every table. Antelopes are, however, very swift with their legs, making it difficult for hunters to catch it or kill it. Any hunter that kills or catches an antelope feels very proud and fulfilled, irrespective of the number of arrows used in shooting down the animal. Similarly, one may be proud that he spent huge sums of money to build his palatial mansion. Also, if a person spends a lot of money paying for the education of his son or daughter in the university, he feels justified that he will recoup the huge sum of money spent in the education of his children. Ota patrele kenti oba, yari ogun murako. Ihe pụtara ego buru ibu mmadụ mefuru iji nweta ihe ọma bara uru alaghị n'iyi. Ota patrele kenti oba, yari ogun murako. Remember to drop a comment like and subscribe to our beautiful channel. I'm Fidelis Sobochaji on the Hintuge.